In this video, I will demonstrate the technique of mediastinal lymph node cryobiopsy without the use of TBNA needle. Localize the lymph node of interest, as in this case station 7, subcarinal lymph node. The assistant will stabilize the scope once the position is confirmed by the operator. Introduce the electrosurgical needle knife through the working channel of the scope. Note the scope can be maintained in flexion while inserting the needle knife. It's not necessary to get the scope to neutral position. The knife tip is gently pushed into the bronchial wall, and using endo-cut mode a small cut is made on the bronchial wall. The needle knife is removed and a 1.1 mm cryoprobe is introduced into the working channel. The cryoprobe is gently pushed into the lymph node under real-time ultrasound guidance. Once the position of the probe is confirmed inside the lymph node, the cryoprobe is activated for 3 seconds and the scope is removed en bloc while keeping the foot switch activated. The sample is thawed in saline and transferred to formalin jar. The scope is quickly introduced back to examine the area of biopsy, and the procedure is repeated to obtain the desired number of samples. An imprint cytology sample can be examined for adequacy, as in this case the touch prep slide showed non-caseating granulomas. For diagnostic E-bus procedures, this no-needle technique will significantly reduce the duration of procedure with very high diagnostic yield. This technique of E-bus mediastinal biopsy using the cryoprobe alone will remove the cost of TBNA needle totally. The average time to obtain 2 adequate samples using this technique is 3 to 5 minutes.